to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about point estimation. So what is point estimation? The problems of estimation in which we develop single numerical value as an estimate of the parameter are included in point estimation. So point estimation is a process of developing single numerical value as an estimate of the understudy parameter using sample values. For example, find an estimated average height of first year students. For example, find an estimated literacy rate of India. Find an estimated difference between the pass percentages of two boards in matriculations. I hope so you understood the simple concept about point estimation. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.